got earlier. If you guys already watched my what I got for Christmas, then you would know. Here are my cases. I'm gonna show you one by one. These very nice print for iPhone. Super nice. I got these as well. I have the clear case. Meron pang isa, which is ginamit ko na nasa phone ko. Naka-charge kasi yung phone ko. So here. Super nice marble case. I'm gonna show you my wallpaper. I personally edited this. It says Prime. There. Prime. And here's my home screen. Prime as well. There. Wait, hindi siya nagpo-focus. There. I'm gonna show you what I bought as a gift. So, this is going to be just a mini haul. It's 269 pesos for us. Hindi yan pang gift. Sa amin yan kasi mahilig kami sa chocolates ni Pao and si Prime pa konti-konti. Konti lang asin. And then, I bought gift wrappers. That's gold theme. I love gold. And ito naman yung nabili ko sa Daiso for my agents. And ito yung mga crispy crepes.
Yan.
Yeah. Give it to Dada. Ay! Ay!
Akin.
Ay! Kawawa. Ayaw na. No.
Sa'yo na. Takaw. Takaw sa chocolate.
16 pieces of crispy crepes.
Bawal naman sa'yo na.
And I have handkerchiefs. Ba't ibang handkerchief? Is that yours? Wag ba yun na payakin? Ay, hindi na. So here, gold, super nice, gold color, gold Christmas balls, and babalutin ko na yung mga gifts ko for my agents. 16 pieces, kasi 16 yung agents ko. And yun, babalutin ko na isa-isa. Wow! Eating chocolate! It's so big!
The next day.
Hey guys, so I just got home from work and the Christmas party din kami, and this is what I got for exchange gift. Super huge, and later ipapakita ko sa inyo yung laman yan. And then yung paper bag na yun, mga binili kong pang gift. And then ito, mga gifts and all that stuff. So later, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng mga yan. Kasi, currently, nagbe-breastfeed si Prem sa akin. Okay. So later, papakita ko yung mga laman ng gift. Okay. So let's start. Ay! Kasi ito ang pinakamalaking gift that I received from my monito. Bed sheet and pillowcase set. So nice gray kasi may wishlist kami. And ito yung nilagay ko sa wishlist. Number 1 wishlist ko is yung bed sheet na gray and white color. And huge pillows. It's huge. Ayan. And I have a gift from Jessica. Thank you so much. Can you kiss Mommy? Yes, Ate Pen's gift. Thank you so much. Let's open. Cute! Ang ganda. Thank you so much. I have 2 different bed sheets. Thank you so much. Next ko naman ipapakita is yung mga pang-gifts naman siya. So, babalutin ko to later. This cutie tumbler. Madaming tumbler. And then, handkerchief. Navy blue. Plain navy blue from Anika Dion. This one is from Surplus. 3 different tumblers. with covers from the brand Men's Club, which is this one. T-shirt, huge wall clock, super nice wall clock from SM Home. It's super nice. Life is beautiful. Umiilaw siya, wala lang battery. Wallet. We have more handkerchiefs for girls there from Anika Dion. Hey everybody, so namatay yung battery ng camera ko. And kaya sa cellphone ako nag-vlog ngayon. So sorry for the quality, but I hope okay lang naman siya. So guys, ayan, tapos na akong magbalot ng gifts and may mga nangangaraling sa labas. So here is the wall clock. Very, very large wall clock. And we have gifts. This one is the wallet. Ito yung mga handkerchiefs. Ito yung damit, t-shirt. And then here is yung umiilaw, super nice. And yun. These are all the gifts here. Yes, Merry Christmas! This baby is playing. Bibilisan ko na siya, napalitan siya diaper. Ay, may isa pa palang gift. Ito yung pang-exchange gift naman ni Paolo na natutulog ngayon. Alright, you guys, so I'm done wrapping all the gifts. And I'm done with my skincare. So, hindi ko na ipakita kasi sobrang nagmamadali ako. What's that, baby? So, si Brian, binisan ko na si Brian ng pantulog. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.